Reports are coming in with a blizzard anywhere from 1 to 57 feet of snow. Stay inside. I repeat, do not try to exit your house. You will die. Probably.
You know what? We don't even gotta go outside. We got everything we need
Right here.
Yeah, right here.
That's what it's about, right here.
Yeah, you know what? We can beat this blizzard.
Yeah, we can beat it.
Throw me a sweater.
You want a sweater?
Give me a sweater.
You want
I
a
want it. Thanks.
Oh, that's my
Brah.
sweater.
It's lovely.
Oh.
You know what? It's not like we can go anywhere. We're trapped.
Yeah, we're trapped.
Together.
Together.
Trapped together.
Trapped together.
You know what? 7 feet of snow, 8 feet of snow, 20 feet of snow, doesn't matter. We got all the food and water right now in this one can
That's
right
right.
now.
Lunch in a bottle.
Lunch in a bottle. Lunch of the
Liquid lunch.
gods.
Oh,
Lunch in the gods.
Yeah, right here,
that's a
baby.
good
But you know what? How about you get this another?
Another
Give
round?
us another round.
Another round for the boys?
It's
Another
party
round.
started.
Boom.
Woo!
Boom
Yeah.
shakalaka.
All right, I like it.
You're a great man.
Don't go down this road, please.
Okay. Alright.
Another round for the boys?
Yeah.
Woo! Yeah, let's get drunk. Guys, there's no beer in here.
There's got to be some in there. Check the freezer. I might have some in the freezer.
Yeah, are you sure there's nothing?
Are you sure there's nothing? Yeah, I checked in here already, guys. There's nothing in the freezer or the fridge. There's no beer in here. There's a fucking empty can for some reason. What are we supposed to do?
Alright, calm down, okay? I got a secret spot. I like to hide the beer.
Alright, see, that's a good man right there. He's got a solution.
I didn't know there was a secret spot.
Well,
You fucking idiot! I just checked the fridge. That's your secret spot, the fridge?
Oh, I'm sorry. Is there beer in here? No, yes, there is. Okay.
God damn you, that's just water.
Touche. Ah, see? I knew I had some in here.
What are you doing? How many do we have left now?
Well, one now.
Okay, guys, wait a minute. Here's my solution. I'll just go down to the corner store and buy some at the corner store.
Oh yeah, that's right. I forgot about that.
Right?
The liquor
Yeah,
store.
right, a liquor store.
You can't. It's Sunday. They don't sell beer on Sunday!
Okay, guys, let's do a count here. Well, what do we have left?
Well, we just got the one that Tonka didn't drink in the right there.
One beer to last a lifetime.
Ah, fuck it.
Getting rowdy over here.
We're getting rowdy.
We're getting rowdy. That's all we got. That's all we got.
Oh god, it's so good.
Hey.
Well, I...
Ugh.
You son of a...
I'm,
gone.
I'm sorry.
It's gone. Okay, guys. The one thing is, we can't get cabin fever.
He's right. He's right. We can't turn on each other.
Right.
You know, we can't do that. I heard about
Stick
that
together.
stuff, you know, we have to stick together.
Right, yeah.
I will never turn on you guys. Fuck you! I'm gonna fucking kill you. Okay, I'm sorry. That wasn't me. That wasn't
See,
me.
you know what? I can't even get cabin fever because I am in perfect human condition, okay? So, I'm immune.
Do you know what that is?
Of course I know what it is. It's like smallpox, right?
Smallpox. No. But the first sign, first symptom, because it's like a disease, you know, of the mind. It makes you want to fight people. You get really
Yeah.
defensive.
Yeah, people just start wanting to fight. They just get really angry. Let's fucking go, baby.
You wanna go?
I'm sick of you.
You wanna go?
Let's fucking go.
You wanna go?
Let's fucking go. I
wanna
wanna
go?
go. I'm gonna go all over your face.
Yeah, go.
All over your
All
face.
over my face.
You're gonna stab me? I
You
wanna
wanna
get stabbed.
You wanna get
I
stabbed?
wanna get stabbed.
You wanna get stabbed?
Stab me.
Stab? I'll
I'm gonna
stab
go-
you.
I'm
Should
gonna
I
go in
stab
your
you?
mouth.
Should I stab him?
I'm gonna go in your mouth.
In my mouth?
In
You
your
want
mouth.
mouth?
Yeah.
Stab. So it's not smallpox.
So yeah, I heard about this stuff, the cabin fever. I saw a special on Discovery Channel one time. The next symptom of cabin fever is when like someone loses all track of time.
It's been 6 fucking days. If I don't get another drink, I'm gonna kill somebody.
It's been like 10 minutes.
Oh.
Yeah, and then you probably come up with like the most craziest ideas ever.
Yeah, the next symptom is when someone just comes up with the worst possible ideas ever.
Worst.
And then all we gotta do is just kill this guy. symptom is when like someone is like very paranoid and not like just paranoid out of their mind. So you know what I'm saying, right?
Yeah,
you agree with me on
yeah,
that. We just gotta stick
totally
together,
agree.
and we're gonna make. I feel fine right now.
Yeah, stay
I think
strong.
we're gonna be good. I don't play that shit.
Right, homie, don't play it. Gotcha. But what's
Dude, are you okay?
okay? No.
Oh, I see how this works. You just pretend to sleep so that I'll go to sleep and then you'll kill me. But that's not how it's gonna go down, okay? That's not what's gonna happen, okay? I'm gonna kill you. And then you can't kill me. Okay? You like that? Huh? Oh, hey, what's up? What are you doing here? Come here, what? No.
What are you doing?
And a dead giveaway is when someone starts speaking words of like madness, madness.
Madness words, yeah, but it just like doesn't make any fucking sense.
None whatsoever.
Take
Crazy.
Latin. Or Spanish.
That's enough of that.
Okay, it's really cold. The wishes of death do not tread upon me. There'll be no dick slapping tonight, Dr. Zames.
When do we ever dick slap?
Yeah.
Denial.
Denial.
It's not just
Denial.
I can be trusted again, guys. Please, I'm not addicted to any drugs or anything. I swear, I'm never gonna touch a drink again. I swear, I can be trusted. This guy trusts me, right?
I don't trust nobody.
Oh wait a minute. I think that was like for my AA meeting that one time.
I think overconfidence too, Overconfidence.
Could be.
But I can make it. Okay?
No,
I can make it.
No,
Alright,
no.
So I'm gonna just.
No,
No,
you're
no,
not gonna- no,
hey,
no,
hey,
we can't.
no.
Whoa!
Never.
I'm gonna make it, or I'm gonna die trying.
Where'd you get that
So
gun?
you just.
Stand back.
Whoa.
He's back.
And the final straw, when we lose all connection to mankind, is when we are no longer men, but we turn to animals inside.
We turn to savages
Beasts.
and just kill each other.
Crazy. Just.
It's wrong.
I don't know what that is.
I don't know what that is. I don't like it though.
A used condom?
Yeah, I found it in your mama's purse.
My mom's dead. Haha.
Wait, dude, I'm sorry.
More clients? Of course I can take on more clients.
I want to get
Holy shit! You fucking thing! What? How do you like it? I'm gonna.
Goodbye, Mom. I love you too. Always nice chatting with her. Yeah, little baby want to get painted? Oh, baby shouldn't be painted.
But you know what, guys? I think we're gonna make it.